by educational services.
Hi learners. Now, in our previous classes, we've talked about different concepts in number bases, from changing number bases from base 10 to other bases, and vice versa. We also talked about number bases in decimals, and also addition and subtraction of number bases apart from base 10, then multiplication and division of number bases apart from base 10. In this video, we'll be talking about problems of bases in equation forms. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to determine unknown bases in an equation, and you should be able to solve some word problems on number bases. Stay tuned, and let's get started. So the concept is problems of bases in equation forms. So we're going to have like 5 examples. So we should be in different videos. So look at example 1 here. So example 1. In this example, the question says, if 2, 3 base n equals to 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2, then find n. So let's look at this question together. Solution. So the first thing we need to do is convert both bases to base 10. So we have 2, 3 base n equals to 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. So let's label. This will be 0, 1, this will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So of course we have 2 multiplied by n raised to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by n raised to the power of 0 equals to 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0. So we have 2 multiplied by n raised to the power of 1 will give you n, plus 3 multiplied by n raised to the power of 0 is 1 equals to 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So 2 times n will give us 2n plus 3 equals to 1 times 8, that would be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Then we have 2n plus 3 equals to 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that will give us 15. So when you collect like terms, you have 2n equals to 15 minus 3, and 2n equals to 12. So divide both sides of the equation by 2, divide this also by 2, and the value of n will give you 6. So that is the value of n. In our next video, we'll talk about another example. We'll look at another example in our next video. Stay tuned and have a wonderful time to yourself. Bye.